A 6 cm tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a concave mirror of focal length 30 cm. Distance of the object from the mirror is 45 cm. Use mirror formula to determine position, nature and size of the image. Also draw the labeled ray diagram. Okay. So first, a 6 cm tall object. That means height of the object, here it is given 6 cm tall object. That means height of the object is equal to 6 cm. Then placed perpendicular to the principal axis of a concave mirror of focal length 30 cm. In concave mirror, let us take, this is a concave mirror, take a concave mirror. So this is focus. So focal length is distance from pole to focus. So this focus or this focal length is present in front of the mirror or in front of the reflecting surface, and it is left side from the pole. Focus is present left side from the pole. So here in concave mirror case we have to take f equal to minus 30. Minus sign, we are taking minus sign because focus is left hand side of the pole. Okay, then distance of the object from the mirror is 45 cm. Distance of the object means u. Here u equal to distance of the object, and u also present left hand side of the pole. So we have to take minus sign. So u equal to minus 45. Clear? Then we have to find out the position and nature and size of the image. So here this is a principal axis, this is focus, and this is center of curvature, and focus is placed or present midpoint of the line joining from center of curvature to pole. So here the distance of the focal length from pole to focus is 30 cm. That means focus to center of curvature, the distance is also 30 cm. But here the object distance is given minus 45 cm. So object is placed between center of curvature and focus. Let us write the mirror formula. We know that mirror formula 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus of 1 by u, but here f is minus 30. So minus 30 equal to 1 by v minus of 1 by 45, because u is also minus 45. So 1 by v equal to 1 by 45 plus minus of 1 by 30, take LCM, that is 90. So 45 to minus of 3, so minus 1 by 90. So v equal to, that is v is what is v? V denotes the distance of the image from the pole is minus 30, v minus 90. So v is denoted by minus sign. That means v situated left hand side of the pole from the mirror. So v is situated minus 30. That means v is situated here at this point. V is situated, and also we know that magnification equal to height of the image divided by height of the object, also equal to minus v by u. So implies height of the image is given by, not given, height of the object is 6 cm equal to minus of minus 90 divided by u also minus 45. So here minus minus cancel out, so equal to -2. Here magnification is -2 means height of the image is 2 times of the height of the object, and minus sign represent or denotes the image is inverted image. That means image is real image. That means image is formed due to real meeting of reflected rays. So height of the image equal to -2 into 6 equal to -12. This is height of the object. Here magnification is 2, so we can write the height of the object is equal to 12, but due to minus sign in the magnification, so image is inverted image. Let us draw the labeled ray diagram. Here this is the object, this is object, and one ray is parallel to principal axis, so after reflection it is passes through the focus. Another ray is passes through the focus, so after reflection it is parallel to principal axis, and two reflected rays meet at this point. So this distance is distance of the image, that means V. So V equal to 90, but we are giving here minus sign due to V is left hand side of the pole. So this is minus and this is inverted. So here image height of the object is 6 cm. Here height of the image is 12 cm. That means 2 times of the height of the object. Image is 2 times of the height of the object. Okay, clear? Thank you. If you follow my channel, then I will solve all the examples which is useful for your exam. Thank you.